If water isn't flowing smoothly from your sink, hidden grease and dirt are usually the cause. The good news? You don't need tools or harsh chemicals, just simple household items. Let's fix it fast. Step 1. Prep the sink. First, cover the sink drain completely. Make sure there's no standing water left in the sink. The surface should be dry before you begin. Step 2. Make the mix. Take an egg from your home and place it in a bowl. Remove the egg yolk and discard it. Then add 3 tablespoons of detergent to the bowl. Mix everything well until the mixture becomes smooth and thick. Step 3. Apply to the drain. Pour the mixture directly into the sink drain. Then add 2 tablespoons of baking soda on top. After that, pour about 100 ml of vegetable oil over the same area. Step 4. Activate with hot water. Now, slowly pour hot water over the drain. The water should be hot but not boiling. Let the mixture sit for a while so it can break down grease and dirt inside the pipe. Step 5. Flush and finish. Remove the sink cover and rinse the sink and drain thoroughly with clean water. This will flush out loosened debris and restore proper water flow. That's it! A simple, low-cost way to clean your sink drain using everyday items. Try this method whenever your sink starts draining slowly, and keep your plumbing flowing like new.